Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo Watch DC-AE and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set a custom image or custom watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Maimo Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it you should see your Maimo Watch DC-AE. Under it, there should be watch face category. You can tap on this arrow right here to open the watch face page. Then you can tap on online to open the online store. And in the store, you should see the category with the album digital 3, 4 and stuff like that. Tap on more to open the whole category. And here we have different styles of the watch face. We have the digital clock at the top, analog clock in the middle, digital clock top left corner, and digital clock at the bottom. Select the version you like of the clock, and then tap edit photo and album watch faces, and you have two options: take photo or album. If you select take photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And if you select album, it will open the basically file or photos app or something like that. Anything that allows you to browse the photos, and you can basically select the photo from your phone to use as a watch face. I'm gonna use the album option, so we need to allow the permission. Let's try again. So album, okay. And then we can tap on download, for example, and here we have different pictures. And let's say I want this one as a watch face. And now we need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on the watch face. So we need to select the part of it. And you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can move left and right and up and down. So select the part of the picture you want, then tap on OK. Here we have a preview of our watch face, and then we can tap on upload and use. And as you can see, the watch face was applied, and then you can close the app, and that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.